Lead gen templates are a powerful tool in agency analytics to help you stand out from the competition and grow your clientele. Available in the report template section, the pre-built lead gen template makes it easy to visualize meaningful data for prospects you're hoping to work with, helping you demonstrate value before they even sign on. Here's how to get started. First, navigate to the template section in the left-hand menu and click Create Template in the top right. Choose Report as your template type. Next, select your preferred layout, either slide deck or document style. Then choose Template as your starting point, since you'll be using one of Agency Analytics pre-made templates. From the list, select Lead Gen Template, click Continue, and give your template a custom name. Then click Continue again to open the editor. Now it's time to customize it to fit your agency's branding and messaging. You can edit any text box by clicking directly into the widget and updating the content or formatting. You can add images, embed videos, rearrange pages, remove unnecessary widgets, or add new sections. Your changes autosave automatically as you work. Once your template is ready, create a new client using your prospect's website URL. Then connect relevant integrations like Rank Tracker to monitor keyword rankings and Majestic to analyze backlink data, so you can gather valuable organic performance insights to showcase in your report. After collecting data, create a new report using your customized lead gen template. Select your saved template, update the report name with the prospect's details, and click Continue. In the report editor, apply any final client-specific updates before sharing. When you're ready, you can schedule the report, generate a shareable link, email it directly, or download it to send manually. And that's it. You've created a polished, data-driven lead generation report designed to highlight opportunities and win new business. Looking to grow your agency with smarter reporting? Start your free trial of Agency Analytics, the purpose-built platform agencies trust to deliver results.